Hi, welcome back. What is 20% squared? Is it 40%, 4%, 400% or 0.4? Okay, made your selection? Right. 20% can be written in decimal as 0.2. So in other words, this is 0.2 squared, which equals 0.2 times 0.2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we've got to count up the decimal places. So this is 1 and this is 2. So 1, 2. And that's where our point goes. Let's fill the gaps with zeros. And the answer is 0.04, or as a decimal, that is 4%. And that's the answer. What if you wrote this down as 0.20 times 0.20? Would that still have worked? Well, 20 times 20 is 400. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A decimal point goes there. Fill in the gaps. 0.04, which equals 4%. So yes, it would still have worked if we had done that. What about if we had used fractions? 20% is 1/5. So we've got 1/5 times 1/5. That equals 1 times 1 is 1. 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 1/25. If we multiply the top and bottom by 4, we get 4 100ths. And 4 100ths is 4%. But this is how I would have done it if I was going to do it in my head. I will probably have said 20% is 1/5. So that is 1/5 times, and I would have kept that at 20%. So what is 1/5 of 20%? Well, it's just 20 divided by 5. So it's 4%. How would you have done it? Let me know in the comments below. That's it. See you next time.